Okay, guys. Then next, then how will be the research supervisor? Number of research supervisors are here in the meeting. So actually, what the research supervisor, actually what the scholars expect from the research supervisor. The Tanbio Biology Forum next week are going to launch the new section that is called a research bench. Now you're going to subscribe our Tanbio Biology Forum YouTube channel. There is number of things in that. You just scroll the videos, then you find that number of things. A scientist voice, scientist give their knowledge to you. Link to chat box and the link was in the chat box now. Okay, you just click the link, you enter in there. In that, we go to innovate the new thing that is a researcher bench, because more than I think so 10,000 and more researchers are doing that part of work in our lab. Okay, at the time I discussed with the researchers. They say something. Sir, that's a problem. That's a problem. That or they blah blah blah. I think so. Okay, I just listed and the gaps from that. There are some points I have listed in the PPT that are the expectations of the scholars. The scholars accept these things to their supervisors. Okay, so what are the things are that? Sorry, I'm saying the researcher bench means that I interview the researcher. Okay, the researchers say their heartfuls. What are there in the hearts? They say that and share their things to the world. That is a researcher bench. Okay, and next week we're going to launch that. You see that says something, but some of the I just list the researcher what they expected from the research supervisor. The research supervisor should be the expert in the research area. Okay, this is the era of interdisciplinary research in science. This is the era. This is the era of interdisciplinary research in science. So in that time, you should be experts in number of areas, especially in life science. Life science is a combination of 18 science subjects. Okay, these are 18 subjects, and biotechnology, you have to, whatever the subjects, you have to work in interdisciplinary manner only. But in biotechnology, your learning also should be interdisciplinary. Okay, so in this interdisciplinary era, the expert should be expert in number of research areas. Before that, if I'm a chemistry person, then I should be expert in chemistry only. But nowadays, it's not like that. You should be expert in chemistry, then you should be expert in molecular biology, you should be experts in cell biology. The scholar expert that, because design is interdisciplinary, then means the supervisor should be also in interdisciplinary. So number of problems occurs where it means that person strong in one subject, but the design contains three various research areas. So the difficulty of the research supervisor to guide the candidate, that's a problem. That's a problem. But we have to come by years and years, because I told that before, this is a era before 20th up to 20th century. If you do research in particular area, then you have to do only in particular area only. But now it's becoming interdisciplinary, because innovations will occur only by interdisciplinary. They think like that. So so the research become an interdisciplinary one. If you do research in max, if you do you know about the biological things, because the biological database research, they combine like that. So the research supervisor should be expert in the research areas which you included in the research design. That is very, very important. Otherwise, your candidate will be affected. Then automatically you will be affected, your department will be affected, your college, university, your nation, universe. So if your candidate affected, entire universe will be affected. Okay, then to be expert in a particular subject. Okay, that this is also same. Not only research area, because number of persons nowadays I'm see just read over 10 articles. Okay, and I will design the research area, but they don't know the techniques in that research, because they are not stuck in the particular subject. You should be clear in your particular subject, then only you can design the what I'm saying, the techniques, design the project clearly. Otherwise, you just give the flow sheet. I think I'm seeing number of design they show they are not actually research design. That is a flow sheet of your research. Research design means I have a separate class for that in research design. Okay, so 3 hour class. It is a free class only. And I share the link. Okay, okay, you can feature, you can attend. Research design is entirely different. You have to give the pinpoint of that research. What the next minute you have to do? What is the next day you have to do? That is research design is not easy. You have to take 1 year to design a clear research design. You have to work focus for 1 year. So that is another thing. You should be strong in a particular subject. So sorry guys, time is very low, so I make it faster. Okay. Then after I will be should in separate classes for research supervisor and research design, and that you can attend the classes also. So then strong interdisciplinary knowledge, I'm already says, and to be a motivational person, because number of times in a research the candidate get down because of the family situation, because now the researchers are young persons. Okay, they start the research in the age of 23. Okay, then the age of 23 to 27 means there are a lot of commitments in their personal life. So pressures, financial pressure, family pressure, marriage pressure, then other pressures are there. So at the time they get down. So the motivation of by the candidate should be highly support to the candidate. Sorry, motivation of the supervisor should highly support the candidate. Then supportive, whatever the thought given by the candidate in the supervisor should be support and encourage and enrich that knowledge. Then calculative risk taken, because that is a young mind that have to try to take risk more, but that will be affect the candidate. The supervisor clearly watch that candidate what type of risk is going to take, if the risk is possible, or the risk is what type of risk. They have to analyze it and give that risk properly to the person. Then creativity. Okay, I'm already talk about that. Having more contacts in research, that's very important. The research supervisor, I hear a lot of things. The research supervisor doesn't have any contact in national level or international level. Without you don't have in contact in national and research level, then the interdisciplinary knowledge in the particular research area is not occur. You just think about that local situations. Now the local situations, one day the local situations will become a universe, and some days it will become nation, and some days it will become the state level, and one day it will dilute and going to the situation of the supervisor and the researcher. They think the local situation means they think that this is the situation of the supervisor and the researcher. That is not a local situation. A local situation means at least your state. Okay, so not think the local situation means that is the situation of the supervisor and the situation of the candidate. Okay, so there should be a contact, because the thesis should be evaluated by some other parts of the persons in the some other parts of the world or in some other parts of the state. There is a norms in the universities. Almost all the university have that norms. You should be evaluated your thesis of your candidate in various parts of the India or various parts of the nation or various parts of the world. So the person should have the contact. Otherwise, they don't know how to share the candidate thesis to that persons. Okay, so that's very important. Then facilities and research, guys. Number of debate is going. The number of candidates will see and talk about self. We our college doesn't hold that facilities. For that reason, I'm not able to do my research. Already says, if you have the research design only, at least have the research area and research ideas only, you have to check for your PhD and you have to check for your institute. Otherwise, this is a major problem. Before you enter into the research or institute, you fix, I'm going to do research in particular research area. I'm going to do in the particular field. then only you select the supervisor correctly. Then only you select the institute lab correctly. Otherwise, if you sir, I don't have no any idea, I like to do only PhD. So I interviewed by some institutes and I enter into the institute. That institute give one supervisor. That supervisor give this research idea means you don't do a small things in your research. You just give that research to the some other hands only. Okay. So first you fix your idea. First fix your research thing design. Then you enter search for the supervisor and search for the institute, and then you definitely you find the things because the my research design have this type of techniques. Whether these institute have the facilities, then you enter, and within a year you have to find something in your research. Without that, this problem will be occur, guys. Till the end, the problem will not be solved. You just roaming around the nations only to find the place to do research. Okay. Then the lab or institution should have the basic facilities for doing research. You don't ask the major equipments like GCMS, LCMS. Number of people think if the institute have the LCMS, that this is a very right institute for me doing research. It's not like that. First thing is your guide. Second thing is basic facilities for your research. If you're doing research in microbiology, that the institute should have the laminar airflow, proper laminar airflow, plates, medias, sterilization, chemicals. Okay, then whatever the incubator, and then hot air oven. Some basic things only. You don't need a NGS for that. You a number of persons say I have NGS, then that is the right place for my doing research. That is not like that. Basic things, because for major equipments you give samples only, that you can give in some other place. All the institute have that, don't have that, because that is very too much of cost. Okay, so think about that. No need of higher equipments. That's then research publications. Okay, there is a 3-hour class in TANBio, that is a research publications 3-hour class. So I'm not sad that I think only 15 minutes for me, more than 10-20 slides are remaining. So sorry for that. So research publication, I simply says that research, you should be published your research article, research manuscript only in a SCI or SCI expanded Scopus journals only. There is a lot of indexing things are there. But majorly, you concentrated on SCI, SCI expanded or Scopus, at least Scopus. Okay, it is the largest database. At least you think about Scopus. So I concluded the first part, research. Okay. So what is exactly I concluded? What is the current trend in research? Traditionally, in olden days, the science become culture. You think the saint thing, the first image that is a saint thinker, then they share the knowledge to the king. That means now the agencies. Okay. Then the king allot fund for that, and they constructed the idea into a temple. In Tanjavur, there is hundreds of temples. That is not a temple, they are a research institutes. They are the research institutes. I can prove you. If you come to Tanjore, I can prove you all the things for research institutes. Okay, that is a different talk. I will be talking the later. Okay, but they establish their research, and the research should be used by the common people. Okay, the same research ideas that will be used by the common people. That is the last image. I think walking is very, very important. Walking around something, although you walking in a circle, man, it's not exactly circle. That is a that is a rectangle. I'm not time for that detail in that. If you rectangle, you have to walking some distance and measurements are there. Exactly, you have to do that. Then your energy will be improved. Okay, there is lot of things. There is lot of things scientifically. Okay, there is sorry, I don't time for that. They urge me. So if you working, simply, working results of working. So in the saint, give their knowledge to the common people. That is the traditional research. That is the olden research. Then only we consider the scientist in olden days equal to the god or next to the god. But nowadays, modern research, the first image, one girl see that some research article, and do the same procedure in the lab, and give the citation and publish the article in the another journal. The last image is the another girl see the research what she published. So current trend of research is only around the researchers only, not to the common people. Okay, then only nowadays researchers are not acceptable by the common man, not respected by the common man. Then only the life science don't have scope. Number of universities and colleges closes the number of life science departments. That means when the quality of a scientist in particular area dilute, then automatically the department or the research area is diluted. One day people forget that. One day people forget the scientist. Nowadays people forget scientists. Okay, then only they don't respect us. Yeah, I'm working as a labor in particular. I have 25,000 salary means they respect me. I'm doing research in life science means what are you doing, man? Do something good. Otherwise, it should be difficult. But people, common people say like that. I feel that I face that problem. Even though my parents doesn't accept that you're doing research in, because they don't know research. What is that research? My relation so says, "Oh, what man? Always saying research, research. I did my PhD 6 years. Okay. Oh yeah. So people always what is think about it? What man you're doing research, research? Going to see the family man. This is idiotic thing. So actually, what happened? The scientists diluted that. Then only the researchers face the obstacles. We are the top level of people, but we are not considered as a man also here. Our research is not considered even though as a job. Research is not a job, but even though the common people that is considered the research as a job. That means what? The scientists diluted the research. So don't people, my conclusion is traditional research supports the common man. Traditional research gives to the common man, but modern research does not reach the common man. Modern research does not support the common man. Maybe one or two products be success, but that is also for what I'm saying, that for profitable thing only. So concentrated and develop researchers, develop research, that is very important. So I'm entered into the next section, entrepreneurship. So the another debate. So that's another debate. That is entrepreneurship is another debate is going around India, especially because now government support entrepreneurs to develop. Now government supports research also, researchers also. Okay, the funding increases, researchers stipend increases. So government supports researchers, scientists, and the entrepreneurs also. Okay, so what is entrepreneurship? It is the activity of setting up a business, taking on financial risk in the hope of profit. Okay, there is a lot of difference between the entrepreneurship and businessman. Okay, all the entrepreneurs are not a businessman. Entrepreneurs is just a basic thing. Okay, you will become develop as a businessman. So entrepreneurship is taking a financial risk. Okay, to develop the finance. Understand? Entrepreneurship is a financial risk taken by a person to develop their financial level. That is exactly because I'm also an entrepreneur. Okay, I know that exactly risk. I faced a lot of things last 5 years. Okay, then what is the risk in entrepreneurship? Before you enter into the entrepreneurship, you think that the image shows on the top of that your plans, that is a clean surface. But what is exactly is, that is a downer, that is a reality. There is lot of downs, ups and downs, lot of bombs, and lot of what I'm saying, that you unacceptably you see a lot of the things in entrepreneurship. You have to jump, you have to swim, you have to run, you have to climb in a tree, you have to, what I'm saying, a lot of things. Okay, you are ready for anything at any time. That is entrepreneurship. Okay, then only you become a businessman. Entrepreneurship will become a businessman. Entrepreneur is not a businessman. Okay, so what are the things you have to concentrate on while entrepreneur? That is funding, up to date knowledge, market survey, long run, collaboration, accurate technical minds, and strategies. I can speak for every point in half an hour, but there is no time. Okay, in future we have definitely speak, these are the things you have to concentrate. Then fundraising opportunities. You have raised the funds by the following: by own funds, beginning with your own funds only as an entrepreneur. Nobody will give you fund for anything. If you give fund for your knowledge, then your technology will be going to the person or going to the company. So first you have to invest only. That is very important. Then own funds, bank schemes, a number of bank schemes nowadays. I am not able to visualize. You can ask me privately, then I can show that, because for the time problem. Okay, and then startup schemes. Okay, and then pitching, then seed funding, then by agencies, universities, shareholders, collaboration, memorial, and government schemes. Okay, then responsibilities. So what are the responsibilities if you must have as an entrepreneur? These are the things: finance contributions, that is a major thing. Okay, take responsibility of entire activities of the organism. Number of persons, if the company will be a success, he or she will take the responsibility. So I am the reason for the success. But if the company have a small problem, they try to blame others. Then from that second, you just come out of the company. The company will throw out you. You are, you maybe you invest that for company, you are the owner of the company, that is not a problem. You blame others for any mistake in the company. Next second, that the company is your children. Company, your company is your child, the first child. You should be care of that. If you blame your child, then immediately the child, what you, I think you know what the child says, immediately throw out you. You won't become a owner of that hereafter. So that's very important. And take responsibilities of the entire activities of the organism. Then face the consequence. Okay, I'm always say, the organize and observe your employees. Because inter competition, you have to face a lot of intra competitions, because your staff is clearly understand the activity of companies, then the company will automatically develop. Okay, that is your role. That is the direct, that is the role of CEO, director, whatever that. You make understand the think, understand the activity of the company to the staff. Otherwise, definitely there is a lot of problem between the staffs. Okay, so I can take a class for that, but it's a very difficult task, guys. Then what I'm saying, choosing the priority, that is also very important. If there is if 10 persons working in your company, so you have to give the higher portion to one person only, because one opportunity is only one place only. You have to give one. You have to pick one person from the 10 one. That is very difficult. Okay, don't give personal ideas to get the priority. But there is some system in the company, so developing system is very important. So when persons completely clear all the needs of the company, then you have to give the priority. There is a lot of things that is vary from the position. Okay, then managing the intra-organization disputes, I'm already discussed that. Then strategies. What is the 5-year plan of your company? What will become your company on 2025 or 2030? So you have to fix the strategy and plan for that. Okay, you have to fix the strategy. That is the vision. Okay, so like research, why I'm compare and take the both things means what is research, that is what is entrepreneur. You have to live with that company. How you live with the research, you have to live with the company. Then only the company speak to you. You understand what the company speaks. Okay, like the I'm already says the child. The mother knows what the child asks, but actually they don't speak in any language. But that language only know by that mother only. Likewise, your company speaks to you. You only know that. Other person doesn't know anything. Okay, they are things like object only, but you only know that have the life. So you have to speak with that. Then only you have to fix the strategy and you fix the plan. Okay. Then making the system. When the entrepreneur making a system, then the entrepreneur become a businessman. That the entrepreneurial program become a business, become a company. Sorry, the entrepreneurial program only achieve the system, it become a company. When entrepreneurs develop the system, then he become a businessman. So this is the difference between the entrepreneur and businessman, entrepreneurship and company. Okay. Then what is business idea? One person having idea. For example, what example? Okay, I'm going to plan for a fishery. Okay, this is the idea. Then you become an entrepreneur. If you have an idea, you are an entrepreneur. You are ready to taking a financial risk. Okay, but after the idea, you prototyping it. Prototyping means what is this? You have to give a trial and error method. Okay, so make your ideas tangible, because the idea should be a flexible one. You don't fix your idea. Okay, if you fix that, that means definitely the idea will not be in a stage, will not be enter into the sorry, stand in the stage. It will be failure, because the idea is from your brain. So that is your own, but you enter the idea into the other people's brain, that is not easily acceptable by others. Okay, that is not you not take a common thing. Okay, that you the take a thing from your brain, that is your individuality. You don't think everybody accepted my idea. Okay, so give that idea to the common people, or what your users give that, they give their ideas. So the idea prototyping is very important. When you fix the prototype, then you become a businessman or entrepreneur, become a businessman. It will take a years, man. It will take a years. That is your knowledge and your hard work, your smart work fix the year. Okay, it may be occur in 2 years, but before 2 years, I'm not accepted, because you're not connected with that much amount of people. So at least 2 years. Okay, and then it may be 10 years, 20 years, even though failures also after 20 years. Okay, so entrepreneur become a businessman is only by prototyping, only by system making. Okay, only by prototyping only you make a system. Okay, then a business model, man. Business model, if after you are prototyping, your business model is ready, then now you are a businessman. Now your entrepreneurial program is becoming a business company, so everything's ready. That the business model is defined only by these things or around that. That is the revenue, target customer, partner network, infrastructure, competencies, management, value configuration, costs, distribution, product services, and what is the core capability of your company. So the core capability define others, and all the things are define your business model, and your business model shows your company to the world. Your business model only make your dream into a product in your hand. Okay, you enjoy your dream only by the business model only. Okay, that's very important. Then incubation cell, where you start your entrepreneurship. These are the best. Just you take a photography or whatever things. These are the supporting things. Okay. Then what is called active income and passive income. Sorry guys, I will take another 5 minutes to complete this program. Sorry, Dr. Jitendra Babu, Jitendra Paniselvam, to take your time. Sorry. I have to complete within 2 minutes. Okay, so what is active income? What is passive income? Passive income means in the your earnings while you sleeping. Okay, active income means your earnings while you working. You work 8 hours active, that income only for your 8 hours. At the remaining 16 hours, you not earn anything. Okay, but in the passive income model, you earn even though in while you sleeping. Okay, that is called passive income. You develop the passive income model only by active income model. You first clearly develop the system for active income model. From the active income model, you develop the passive income model. It will take years, man. Yes, that is up to your knowledge and your system in active income model. So what is that in active income? When you work for income, involvement needed, force schedule, less risk and less reward, no investment needed, TD income. But in foreign passive income, money works for you. Your business model will works for you. I'm not included in that. Sorry, your business model will works for you. Okay, and hands off income, no schedule, freedom, more risk, more reward. Involvement involves in investment. Your involves is your investment. Then cash flow stream. So these are the things are in passive income. So work in active income model to achieve the passive income model. This is my suggestion to you because of land last 10 years these things. Okay. So finally, I give the I just show that Tanboyo supports and service. That is Tanboyo laboratory analysis. Very often the laboratory analysis going to Tanboyo Analytics is the new company from Tanboyo R&D Solutions. That will be going to start in future. That is called Tanboyo Analytics. In the Tanboyo Analytics, you have to analyze all the major things. We have to establish all the major equipments in that. So in that, I will connect you because all your email ID and WhatsApp numbers are in registered. So I will connect with you in the time. And the Biotandra, like Biojana, Biotandra is nothing. You give the technical ideas. Okay, they teach you the techniques clearly. Biotandra, like Biojana, they give the ideas, but in Biotandra they teach you the techniques. Okay, they teach, I think, more than 150 techniques in 2 months, May and June. I will share the program details also in future. Okay, already successfully we conducted 4 years. Pythondra, very successful program. In next year, who all are like to participate, you can definitely participate. Then Biojana, this is Biojana. This is a concept. We give the idea to the people. Then biology forums. Biology forum is a e-learning website, and now it's not working. Okay, I have to make some updates in that. Okay, in that you can see everything. You can see everything, and 90% of that free. Only some courses are there that only the cost that maybe only 50 rupees or 100 rupees in Indian money, not much more money. But other than are free only in biology for Tanboyo Biology Forum. The website also changed. Now it's www.biologyforum.in, but in future it is the www.tanboyobiologyforum.com. Okay, so at the transcript is just we give the services, writing services, scientific writing services to the researchers. That is another things, but we are not how I am say, we are not support the researchers some blah blah. Okay, we give only the correct things to the researchers. We are not do for money. Okay, we just support the researchers only. What I'm saying. Then Tanboy Publishing House, next year Tanboy going to publish 28 books. Okay, that books that what are the syllabus oriented books. Okay, we first concentrated only on the Tamil Nadu state universities only, not other state universities. The first phase we concentrated only the Tamil Nadu phase universities, and get the syllabus, life science, all the life science subjects. Okay, first I going to launch biotechnology subject, and other than other subjects will become. So we have to launch. We plan for the launch in next year because due to COVID we are not planned this year. So next year we're going to plan for that launching, and then that is a complete syllabus oriented books. All the university syllabus we completely refer the syllabus, and based on the syllabus only we prepare the books. Okay, the book is ready. Okay, it's ready to market, but not we launching now. Okay, Then on-site programs. We are conduct number of programs in number of colleges and universities around Tamil Nadu. So we are ready to do also in future days. Now COVID is problem. So after the COVID problem, we are do that. So what are the project supports? While BSc, BTech, MSc, MTech candidates and research projects for MPhil, PhD, you can do whatever things in our lab. We have all the facilities for that. Thank you. Then this is my research team. Okay, there are number of persons also included in the research team. Sorry, I don't have photos because we are in the different pods. Okay, due to COVID-19, all the staff members were in that their own place. Weekly twice only we get together, but due to that we can't take all the people's photography. So this is a part of my research team. Okay, this is our associates. Nowadays there is number of associates also. This is one of the image because we don't have time. I'm not able to show all the things. These are some important things I'm sharing to you. Thank you. And this is our contact details. Okay, you can contact me at the weekdays in between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.
between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Okay, thank you. Thank you guys. If you have any queries, kindly ask me.